Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Team VRY. So today we have here with us the Sonoflow Pro HQ51 headphones. These are a pair of wireless headphones, and big shout out to 1More for sending these over. And I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of these headphones, as well as an overview of what to expect if you ever decide to get these headphones. With that said, let's get started. Alright, so the 1More Sonoflow HQ51 headphones come in pretty standard packaging. Now opening the box, you do get a considerable amount of accessories alongside the headphones, and this includes a carry case which contains the headphones themselves, and you also get a USB charging cable as well as an audio cable which can connect to 3.5mm headphone jacks on your devices like phones and laptops. With that said, it's a pretty complete package and comes with all you need to get started. Now going over the design of the headphones, they're pretty standard as far as wireless headphones are concerned. They do resemble the older 1More Sonoflow headphones, and on the sides of the ear cups you do get the controls for your power, your noise cancelling button, as well as your volume controls. Now as for features, the headphones do come with active noise cancellation, and 1More adds that they also come with AI-based environmental noise cancellation, and you do get support for 12 studio-grade equalizer settings, which you can customize using the app, and it does support both wired and wireless connectivity, so you can use these either via Bluetooth or if you prefer via a wired connection, which will come with a bit less lag than usual. It also features transparency modes in addition to the active noise cancellation. So yeah. Now in terms of battery life, you can get up to 65 hours on a single charge when using these headphones. So they're going to be ideal for long commutes on the bus or long plane trips, or if you're going to use them just to chill at home for the entire day. But if you were to disable the active noise cancelling, you can boost this up to around 100 hours, which is pretty darn impressive, especially if you're looking for a pair of wireless headphones that can really shine in terms of battery performance. Now it does come with a range of 10 meters for Bluetooth connectivity, which isn't too bad. And if you were to fully drain the headphones and charge them up to a full 100%, it'll take you around 80 minutes to fully charge the HQ51. Now as for price, I do live here in the UK, so right here they're gonna cost about between 80 to 90 pounds. And of course, you can get them for a lot cheaper with promos or with sales, so be sure to keep a lookout for those. And yeah, overall, the 1More Sonoflow HQ51 headphones are a pretty solid set of wireless headphones. I've used the older Sonoflow models and I was pretty impressed with those. So yeah, if you're looking for a budget-friendly choice in terms of wireless headphones, then there's a lot to love with the 1More Sonoflow HQ51. Alright guys, so that does it for this quick video. Let me know what you think about these headphones in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.